On a railway in Britain, run mostly by American locomotives, there lives a little engine. This engine's name is Noel. She usually does trains like goods trains, but today she gets a very special goods train. A special if you minded. Hint, hint, wink, wink. She is going to be pulling presents through in some mail cars to the children in the town.
The children in the village will be so happy I brought their presents. Their smiling faces will be so cheerful to look at. I will be so happy, and they'll be so happy I brought them their presents.
Noel was enjoying her time as she chuffed around the tracks.
This hill is so steep. No wonder engines always complain about it. Phew, this is really steep. Well, the dark tunnel's coming up ahead. I better be prepared or else who knows what will happen. Here comes the tunnel. Here we go. Great, we're out of the tunnel now. Phew.
Well done, Noel. We're making great time. We're one half the way there.